Hi techies, today we are going to dive into the amazing world of Docker. This video is so simplified that everyone should be able to understand it, even a newborn baby. And it's just 180 seconds. So come on, let's get on with it. Before we understand what Docker is, let's understand what containers are. What is a container? Let's look at containers in everyday use. According to Oxford, a container is an object used for holding or transporting something. This is the same concept used in DevOps, except that something is the application together with its libraries and dependencies. There is a 1 minute video in the description below to help you visualize what containers are, so you can pause the video now and go watch it. Now let's move on to the topic at hand. Docker. What is Docker? Docker is an open source platform that simplifies the deployment and management of applications by leveraging the power of containerization. Whoa, those are some really heavy words there. Alright, so let me break it down. Before Docker, software development was often a daunting task, plagued by compatibility issues and dependency conflict. Here is a short familiar story. Yo, check out this mad website I created. It's so bright. It's giving awesomeness like slay. Yeah, those words. Um, just one problem though. It isn't running in the production environment. But it's running on my system. You'd be surprised how often this occurs. This mainly happens because developers are more concerned with developing code for the development environment, which is different from the production environment. Now, every machine has different underlying states depending on the operating system, installed programs, and permissions. If the production server is configured differently than what you're running locally, your changes might not work as you expect and cause problems for the users. That's where virtual machines came in. Testing environments were either done on virtual machines, which simulated the production environment, or the production environment was made to simulate the testing environment using virtual machines. There's also a 1 minute video that explains what virtual machines are in the description. However, virtual machines occupy a lot of space, have a long boot-up time, are difficult to scale up, and generally way less efficient, making them less than ideal for many use cases. And that's where containers came in. Containers at their core are lightweight, isolated environments that package an application and all its dependencies together, making it easy to run your application in any computing environment. Now, Docker enables developers to create, share, and run containers consistently across different environments, from local development machines to production servers. So you can run multiple containers on one hardware, isolating the applications from each other. Okay, so what next? Now that you have understood what Docker is, it's time to start using it. In my next video, we'll learn the most commonly used Docker commands and start running containers like a pro. So subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss this.